Hello, my name is Jake. May I have your name?
Hi, my name's Nalin.
Okay, and how long have you been here in AI?
I started at level 9 and currently I'm level 11, so probably about 1 year.
Okay, great. What kinds of improvement did you notice when you study here at AI?
After studying here for a while, I've noticed several key improvements, but one of the most impactful is the personal attention that teachers give to each and every student. They not only encourage us to work harder academically, but they also promote social interaction.
Wow, can you give me an example?
For example, during group work, they'll allow us to think collaboratively and also provides us with the feedback that we need. Additionally, there is a strong emphasis on group work, which can help build our leadership skill and foster collaboration. Furthermore, the teachers are attentive to our potential, providing us support in our areas of excellence.